Fuller Austin Insulation Company was founded in Houston in the mid-1940s. The company went through several mergers during its history but continuously remained a successful insulation business. Fuller Austin employees installed asbestos-containing insulation in industrial settings like refineries and factories. They also distributed asbestos insulation products that were manufactured by other companies. Its employees performed removal and repair of asbestos insulation in addition to installing new asbestos materials. By the nature of their trade, insulators employed by Fuller Austin would work at numerous different job sites in any given year of employment. The products they use could be different at each job location, increasing the exposure of employees in this industry to multiple types of asbestos products. It's important to note that although a distributor may not have made its own products using asbestos fibers, it played a role in increasing the risk of exposure to workers who were at job sites where these products were being delivered for use. In 1974, Fuller Austin was purchased by DynCorp, a military contractor. It reportedly stopped using asbestos in its products around this time. The company continued to perform asbestos abatement work until about 1986. Asbestos injury litigation caught up with Fuller Austin and forced it to file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in September of 1998. A trust was set up a few months later in December of 1998. As of June of 2022, 54,863 claims have been filed with the Fuller Austin Asbestos Trust since it was established. The Trust's annual financial report details that it has paid out over $310 million in claim compensation since it was established. We've helped thousands of people receive compensation for their asbestos injuries. Let us help you.